Hey guys, Matt Sullivan here with Impeller. Just wanted to show you real quick in 60 seconds how to make a custom QR code with your branding. So what we're going to do first, go to qrcode-monkey.com, and within the field, we're going to put in our URL. So copy, paste that in here, set our colors. Just grab the hex color or whatever defines your brand within this. And we're going to add our logo. Let's find our logo, open, and once it loads up, we'll be pretty good here. And then if you want to customize the design further, you can. I always like to go with something that's a little less busy. Create QR code here in the green, and what this is going to do, boom, we got a nice custom QR code. This is something we can download the PNG, 1,000 by 1,000 pixels, and use this on any print collateral moving forward. So if you guys have any questions on this stuff, feel free to comment, and stay tuned for other tips and tricks. Thanks.